Here's another review of a belt that I recently purchased. It's a Tom Ford belt, one of their signatures. Extremely hard to come by. So, here's the packaging. Pretty nice bag. Nothing to show you on the bag really. Here's the box that the belt comes in. Very similar to many other designer brands. For many of you that do not know, Tom Ford is equivalent to the brand Hermes. If not, I personally think they may even be better as a designer brand. Nice foil stamping. Every belt comes with a dust bag. It's pretty much a microfiber type of bag. Now let's take a look at the belt. This belt is extremely hard to get, especially in the size that you may want. The belt it may look like it's polished silver, but it's actually not. It's a very light gold color. They actually have it in a regular gold color and then the light gold color, which is very signature of Tom Ford to make them in gold color. Give you a better look at the belt buckle. The typical T. Then if you take a look at the back, no engravings at all, except for on the side where you see there's an engraving right here. It says TF. Now, just examining the belt. Leather quality, identical to Hermes. Extremely high quality leather. The reverse side, Tom Ford. There's 5 belt holes. And then here you'll see it says genuine leather, made in Italy. The size. Here's just a hang tag. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is a Tom Ford signature belt. Please like, dislike, comment, subscribe, and also check out my Facebook page, which is AVT Projects, and please like that as well to follow. Thank you.